seen them. Yet you are supposed to present. I don't know. Okay, we are setting up our live. We are live on YouTube. If you're joining us from YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. This is Crypto Pilot Business Opportunity. We are presenting to you Crypto Pilot Business Opportunity. Okay, how can you make money using Crypto Pilot or automated trading? In short, we are showing you an opportunity of doing automated trading, and you'll be able to connect this bot to your Binance and you trade in your Binance on autopilot. So let's welcome our leader, leader Jack, Uncle Jack. Go ahead and start off. You're welcome.
So a good evening to everyone on this call. Welcome to the Crypto Core. So what is the major goal of the Crypto Core? We are bringing automated trading into reality. Those who have made different robots, specifically Royal Q, we have been semi-automatic, whereby it had to do some things, but you had to get the signal yourself. You had to place the trade yourself. And again, most of us were doing spot trading, whereby we had a lot of floating losses that chased us when the market changed. I know some of you who were doing Royal Q in 2024, 2025, when we had that bull run that was there, some people make good money. Those who didn't know how to trade, but when the market changed, people lost a lot of money. So the Crypto Core is here. I'm giving you this business presentation about automated trading power. How you can automate a trade even if you don't know how to do anything, but the robot keeps making for you. For those who know the robot is called Crypto Pilot. And those who can get more information about on Chrome, it is called Pilot AI.trade. And guys, are we together? You need this pen, you need a notebook, such that everything we say, you can record it. Then after you go through it, after going through it, we shall be having meetings in English from 8 to 30, from 8 to 9, then Luganda meetings will be in the morning. I hope, guys, we can go. Are you hearing me?
Yes, we can hear you loud and clear. Please go ahead.
So when sharing, I share Zoom whiteboard. I share what exactly? Wanted to share my screen?
Yeah, you'll be able to share your screen and go ahead with the presentation.
So are you able to see my screen? Are you able to see my screen?
Not yet. It is not yet available. Maybe it is your settings. I think you're having issues with sharing your screen because you're not seeing it. If you're having trouble, then I can go ahead and share mine.
Maybe go share yours. Go share yours for now.
Make sure you saw those settings, okay? Okay, in the meantime, let me share my screen as he settles his settings. I think he has an issue with his settings. And tonight we're going to present to you a business opportunity that's been available for not so long, but there is a lot of money in this. Let me go ahead and share my screen so that you go ahead and you see whatever is happening on my screen. Okay, share entire screen. Maybe you are sharing a single app. You have to share entire screen. Okay, is my screen visible? Is my screen visible?
I have your screen. So, yeah, I hope everyone is seeing this screen. I think one can represent in the comment section. We can see the screen. So, the Crypto Pilot robot, the one that is here for us, the one that is going to do automation without you lifting a thing and make you money. We are starting. Why 95% of traders fail? if you can go on TikTok, go on YouTube, you will see that you'll come to know that 95% of traders fail because of a few things, because we are human, because of human error. Number one, we have emotional trading. What is about emotional trading? We have greed, we have fear and greed, which leads to bad decisions. What is this one? Fear and greed. When you have fear and greed, you see a candle moving up and you say it is a buy. After tapping it, for it is closing, then it sells. And when it is selling, you feel like you should sell. When you tap sell, it is going up because the market moves in higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, like that, in that pattern. So because you are a human, you don't know where to enter, you keep having that fear and greed, which is where the robot now comes in, knows the exact entry, the exact point where you should enter a buy or where you should enter a sell. The next thing is lack of time. I know most of you, we are dealing with people who are usually abroad, mostly, or those people who are very busy. You find for you, or even if you're not busy, let's take it, the market is crashing at, let's say, midnight. You have been working throughout the day. Maybe you wanted to get a trade set up at 8 when you're free, but the market will not obey your own timing. It will go by its own ways. Then at around midnight, when you said, let me rest, there is some news in America that this has happened and the market is seriously crashing. This is where the robot comes in. For those who are using this robot, I know most of us maybe have come to see how it works, or some of you are using it. For those who were there, you saw a coin yesterday which dropped by 32%, and this robot got that move. Everyone made money. My downline had just entered. He made $47 in just around 30 minutes. $47. I think I will share that by the end of the problem I can share now. In next lessons, I will be sharing. Came to my inbox, was very thankful for the opportunity, and even gave me a ticket of, gave me $20 for helping him start and make this money. Then again, we have market volatility. They are saying crypto never sleeps, and neither do the risks. This is what I was from talking about. The market is volatile, moving up, and in a few seconds it is moving down. Then it's the work of the automation, the work of the AI to get the best entries where the best risk is, such that you can make the best monies. Then we have institutional competition. You are trading against supercomputers and algorithms. And here on institutions, we are trading with banks, we are trading with automations, we are trading with supercomputers, in case you studied them when we were learning types of computers. So these people have the best entries. And again, they are the big banks. They have the best entries. They have the big monies that move the market. For us, we are just market followers. So in case you're using this app, for it taps those entries. It taps those entries. So what can be the solution to the 95% of the traders? What can be the solution to the failure of what 95% of traders are facing? Number one, you have to know that you should stop fighting the machine. By the way, they say if you can't fight them, join them. If you can't win them,
You're breaking. You're breaking. I think it is your network. You're breaking. We can't hear you anymore. Can you guys hear him? Can you guys hear him?
let's go. The crypto pilot, I think you can keep on.
Okay, okay. Now you're back. You had gone off. You had gone off. Can you hear me right now? Can you hear me right now? I think your network is disturbing. You guys, can you hear him? Please, you can comment if you can hear him. Can you hear him right now? Comment in the comment section, guys, so that we learn to know what is happening. Please go in the comment section and you comment whether you can hear him. Yes, Jackson, you're back.
I was saying no sound. I don't know why.
Okay, you're back. You're back. You had gone off. You had gone off.
All right, let's continue. So we were saying, if you can't win them, join them. And how do you join them? This is where the crypto pilot robot comes in. This is where the crypto pilot comes in how does it come in? Remember, CryptoPilot is an advanced automated trading bot designed for everyone here. So we just have to take an advantage of it, specifically from beginners to experts. From beginner, someone who doesn't know even how to trade, doesn't know even what a stop loss means, doesn't know what a buy, what a sell is, but to an expert, to people who know how to trade, those who think they can do the technical analysis, they analyze, they know the demand zone, they know the supply zone, they know the best entries, they know the bullish engulfing candle, they know the incision candle before the bullish move as their demand zone. But remember, you can't beat AI, guys. AI is here for us. AI is here for leveraging. If you don't leverage AI, you can't make the best out of it. So why? 24 out of 7 automation. This means that it works 24 hours in 7 days a week without resting. Even if it is at 3 a.m. in the night, it can never miss a trading opportunity. As I told you, those who are trading manually, surely they did not get yesterday's move, which happened at around, was it 6? But this bot made people millions of money. If I think those who can, even now you can write it up, pilotai.trade, visit the website, you will see how much money it made. Then again, it is data driven because AI analyzes the market in milliseconds, not even minutes, not even just seconds, milliseconds, meaning that it is the precision is something that you can never find in real life or for human intervention. Then again, there is dual market access, whereby traders both spot, where trades both spot, which is asset ownership, and futures leveraging. Then again, on dual market access, it is very better doing futures. The robot is $120 for those who were able to get it last week, but it was at $80. Yeah, but now it is at $120. That was just a free offer that was there for those who were able to get it. Just $120. Then dual market ship, what does it mean? It trades.
I think you have issues with your network. Let me continue. When you come back, you can tell me. It has a dual market access, and this means it trades both spot and futures. Remember, in spot trading, you have full ownership over the asset you're trading. But in futures trading, you're using leverage and you're trading perpetual contracts. I hope you know about that. Okay. Hope you know about that. Now, this can trade both spot and futures. And also, it has a proven track of records of results. Okay. Thousands of traders are already using CryptoPilot and it is making a lot of money for them. Just maybe to show you an example, if we go to the website, okay, pilotai.trade, if you go to the website pilotai.trade, you'll see that if we scroll here down, today alone, it has closed with over 84% precision and has made a total of $12,000 for its users. And the total all time from its launch, it is just 1 month old. This body is just 1 month old. But in just 1 month and maybe 1 week, it has so far made over $400,000 for its users. This is too much money, too much precision. Okay. So that's why we are saying that the bot has proven results. Proven results. So you can join the thousands of traders using CryptoPilot. If Jackson, you're back, you just tell me. If you're back, tell me, please.
You know what? Me out. So
I don't know.
how do you, after everything that I've shown you, after showing that in 1 month it has made over $500,000 with the few users it has got. Reggae had over 3 million users. This one has not gotten over 2,000 users so far, if I'm not mistaken.
Oh my God. I don't know why you're still breaking. You come on and you go, you come on and you go. But let me continue. So you can just start in just 3 simple steps. Step number 1 is you have to sign up and you subscribe. Remember, the subscription fee was at $80, but right now it is at $120, as we've just seen from the website. As we've just seen from the website. I don't know why you're still You keep on coming and going. You're back. Are you back?
Yeah, I'm
Jackson,
back.
please check your network, I think, or people, if they are calling you, put them on hold because you're breaking.
1 second, I first put them on hold and I first disconnect something, right? 1 minute, 30
Okay,
seconds.
as you come back, let me continue. So the step number one is to sign up and you subscribe. So you'll get the person invited to this call. They take you through the sign up process. It is very simple. They just want your name, your full name, first name and last name, your email address, your password, and the invitation code or the referral code. The person invited to this call must give you the referral code. If you're watching it from YouTube, I'm going to put the referral code down in the description. Step number two, you have to connect your exchange. Okay, here for now we can only connect Binance via API. Via API, that is application programming interface. This is where you connect a software to another software so that they can communicate. Okay, so API allows two apps to communicate with one another. When you're binding API, when you're connecting it to your Binance, you only allow it to trade. Okay, you don't give it any permission to withdraw your money, so your money is totally safe in your Binance because the bot has no way of withdrawing your money. So your capital plus your profits, they are all going to be in your Binance. This bot trades within Binance, doesn't take the money out. They are saying you leave your money or your capital in your Binance and you connect the bot, then let the bot trade for you. Step number three is to start trading. You choose autopilot for hands-off trading or custom for full control. So you can use two modes. One mode is to allow the bot to handle everything. What does it handle? It will handle the market analysis, coin selection. It will also go ahead and enter the trades and exit those same trades on complete autopilot. After you connect it like this, you leave it handle the rest. Okay, it will handle everything else. You won't do anything. It will be choosing the coins for you, entering and giving you the profits. It's like you're having a worker who is there for you 24/7 whenever you want him to work. So, what are some of the powerful features for every trader? One, it has automated trading or what we call autopilot mode. Okay. On the autopilot mode, it is perfect for beginners, people who don't know what to do. They just want the bot to work for them. Guys, we are in the era of crypto pilot. Okay? We are in the era of AI. So you can let AI handle everything. AI will handle the market analysis, the entry and the exit. You just have to connect it once, you set and forget. This is a system where you set and forget. You don't have to learn anything as a beginner. Or you can say, no, me, I'm an advanced trader and I want to use my custom strategy, which I can be able to control. It is okay. You can still do semi-automation or still complete manual settings inside the CryptoPilot bot, and you go ahead and the bot will execute those trades on your Binance. So someone may ask, are my funds safe really? Am I safe with my money? If I try to use this bot, is my money safe? One is that the bot is non-custodial, which means you never give your money to the bot. Your capital stays in your trading account, which is Binance. You don't have to give this bot any money. Now, someone may ask, if I don't give it any money, then how is it going to trade? Okay. As I told you before, you connect it to your Binance. After you connect it to your Binance, then you let it handle everything inside Binance. Okay. You know, most people are scared or when it comes to online making money online because they have been scammed a lot. You get your hard-earned money, put that money on a platform. The platform closes, it goes with your money. But here you don't give this bot any money. Let your capital stay in your Binance. You have full control over your money. Okay. So Binance is the one where we put our money. Then we restrict access using API. Okay. you block the withdrawals. The bot, even if it wanted to withdraw your money, the withdrawals are blocked. It can never withdraw your money because that one will require your full control. That will require your full verification for any withdrawal to go through. If you've used Binance before, you know it very well that for you to withdraw money on Binance, you must verify with your passkeys, sometimes even with your fingerprint, sometimes even with your face. You understand? So it can never withdraw your money. No withdrawals can be accessible. Okay. It has bank grade security or encryption. The IP addresses and also the API restrictions, they have bank level encryption. So why choose Jackson? If you're back, you can take on. But if you're not yet back, I can still go on. You can just tell me.
Are you hearing me, guys? Am I clear, Dixon?
Yes, you're now clear.
So why choose CryptoPilot? Why choose CryptoPilot? It is built for performance and peace of mind because, as I've told you, the first reason why 95% of traders fail, it was because of emotions. But now we have peace of mind and built for performance. One, it is real-time analysis. It tracks every trade and daily profit instantly. And again, the problem we had with the previous machines or previous robots, we had a problem whereby you could make $100 in RoyalQ. It shows that you've made 100, but in Binance there is no money. Why? Because maybe you either get liquidated or on the next step you lose something. But this one does what you call PNL. It means that every screenshot that you've seen for results, it is the total of any floating loss or any current loss and the net profit it has made. It brings the final result, meaning that every screen you see of $50, that is plus 50 in Binance. Then second point, there is low latency, meaning lightning fast executions to catch the best prices because of the fastest. They have described it as lightning fastest execution to catch the best prices. That means they get the best entries. Then again, we have smart risk management, automatic stop loss, and take profit features protecting your gains. That's why I said it has the best risk management beyond the humans. That's why many people fail doing futures trading. Why? Because of their poor risk management. This robot now, it has a 3x3 strategy, meaning that it only risks 3% of your capital using 3x leverage. That means if you're using autopilot minimum, let's say $200, that means to just use $6 or $9 of your capital, then use a 3x leverage, which is the best way to never be prone to liquidation. Then there is privacy focus. We do not sell or rent your personal data. Why? Because of encryptions, because of API, everything is very safe. Then the business opportunity, 2 ways to earn. Now here we have different types of people who, when they see opportunity and how they react to the opportunity. Someone will say, me, I only want to trade. I don't want to bring anyone. I don't want to tell anyone. I only want to trade. We will say, get the link, get the invitation code, get the app, sign up, activate the robot, get $1,000, $2,000, $10,000, deposit on my Binance Futures account. We connect through API binding and everything starts trading. That's trader number one. Trader number two is saying, how can I maximize? How can I dig in deep? That is the affiliate program. So for personal trading, let the AI grow your portfolio automatically. You just deposit in your futures account, connect, open the standard partitions. Let's say partition 1 for 200, 300, 500. You sit back and what you have to do is just keep checking on your Binance. Did I make today money? After a month, you just withdraw your $2,000. If you have 10K, that is profit. Then our affiliate program, here you build a network and earn massive commissions. And from subscription, $30 to $70 per referral, and from trading profits up to 2.25% of team trades. What does it mean here? If you are just a beginner, a fresh person with just an invitation code, once you ensure this opportunity to your friend, you will earn $30 once your referral code has been used by that person to activate the robot and start making money. Then it doesn't stop there. You make consistent passive income. How? Every trade that person places, and remember, you won't place it by himself, it will be the robot. The robot will press around 10, 30 trades in a single day. Having entered the 30 trades, once they make, let's say, $10, they will be charged fuel fee or gas fees. On that gas fees, you have 2.25% of team trade. That means every successful trade, they will charge him gas fees, of which he will be entitled 2.5. Then when you go for subscription commission, we have instant cash flows. For the person who will just have activated the robo, you will be a V1. That means every person you show the business, you'll be earning $30. Then if you do this, you will need 3 directs. If you can build them and your team grows to 20 people, now you will be earning, you'll be called a builder and you'll be earning $40 on every direct activation. Then once you have 100 people and you have 2 V2s, you'll earn $50 on every direct activation. That one in Uganda, that is over 180,000 in Uganda. And guys, that is money. That is money. Now imagine every week we are getting 2 people, that is $100, that is 360. That means for 4 weeks, that is a month, you'll have $400. That is around 1.6 million, guys. That is more than some government, those on government, those working for the government. That is a lot of money. Then if we go for V4, that's execution. That is $60. Katonda wange. That's a lot of money. I can't go beyond that level because I've not reached it. But if you go to V5, you will be called the director where you earn 65, then V6 an elite or global partner earning your $70. That means by just referring 10 people as a V6, you'll be earning over 2-point-something million. That is $700. So trade commissions, passive money. This is now where we are. Imagine for you, let's say you're unlucky. Let me use that word. You get your 10 people and you refer just those and you sit back. So earn a percentage of every profitable trade your team makes down to 6 levels deep. That means if you bring Jackson, that is your first direct person, you will be earning 2.25% on every profit that I make that will be charged on my fuel fee. Then someone under Jackson, that will be tier 2. That means if I bring Arod, you'll be earning 2% on gas fees. They will charge him. Remember, he's indirect. Then Arod will bring Dixon, which is tier 3, and you'll be earning 1.5% of gas fees they charge them. Then Dixon brings Edison, that is tier 4, you'll be earning 1% from that leg. Then 5, you'll be earning 0.75% on, hey, I don't know how I can describe it. Tier 5, the other one has brought, the other one has brought, the other one up to tier 6, where you'll be earning 0.25% of the profit they are making. That means someone with good capital, you reach a next and where you're getting passive income. That means if you get a problem, you can withdraw your capital because it is inevitable. Problems will always come, but then how to handle them, how to have emergency funds to handle those. You withdraw your capital, you go solve the problem. But if you have built team, this is passive income, guys. I tell you, remember, the people you didn't even bring, the people you don't know even about, you will be getting this from tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, tier 4, tier 5, that percentage. So now we have the mentor bonus. Get paid to lead. Now this is where leadership becomes sweet. Yeah, for those who attended some schools where leadership we had Wichai or where you were given privileges, this is where the next privilege comes in. Once you have ranked up, once you have a community of 20 people under you, you'll be called a V2. Now, already the first benefit is that you'll no longer be getting $30, you'll be getting 40 on every direct activation. So rewards, how? You earn an extra 2.5% on the profitable trades of your mentees. When my students that have put me as a mentor, I'll be getting extra 2.5%. That means the first I was getting 2.5. Now they have given 2.5 again. That is 5% earned. That means if they have charged $2, they will give me $1. See how sweet the thing is. When users select you as their mentor, you get paid for their success. Bonus, this is on top of your regular referral commission. Everything I said before, this is just a top up. So what is the rank requirements? Your path to V6 to elite, where I think by V4 you already have financial freedom. You know, that level, that kingship, that flag is hard to reach. So we start from V1 as I'd already subscribed. We just subscribe. This was before the promotion. This was before the robot went back to $120. That's when it was at 80. But you just subscribe, you get the robot. Having gotten the robot, the 120, then you get the referral code. The referral code, you will get it when you go to settings, then go to share app. That's why you will get yours. Then once you've gotten it, then start sharing it, start wishing people good such that they make money. Once your team accumulates 20 people, you'll have already earned, once it accumulates 20 people. By the way, I hadn't said something from start. Let me tell you guys, compared to other companies, I don't know whether you faced it or there was this scam. Some leader may need a lot of money and maybe may be forced to lie. But here, guys, no lie. Why? Someone can never tell you that 500,000 can make you buy this robot and you trade. Why? Because after activation, you still need to make money for him to level up. For you to achieve the V2 rank, your team must have made money. Not just bringing people and you achieve ranks. Your team must have made money, at least 250,000 to just achieve a V2. For startup, as we were ranking up very fast, I had 50 people, but I wasn't a V2. Why? Because my team hadn't accumulated 250 earnings. But thank God now it is some good money. They are even over $3,000 they have made under my team. Then again, you must have 10 active traders.
I think let's go straight to this. Let's go straight to this.
So on Start Your Journey Today, right? So guys, as we've shown you how everything goes, don't let another day of profit slip away. I think that guy who started very late in the night disturbing me, if he had let that day go, he wouldn't have made 200,000 today morning. So what should you do? Get the link, guys. Ask the person who shared this with you. Then that person will send you the app, because it is a APK file right now, or you can download it. You can get it from pilotai.trade. Then once you get to that person, they will share the app with you and share their referral codes. Then after activate it, secure your spot for just $80. That was before the robot went up. But guys, it is still printing money. Don't miss this opportunity. I think, Mr. Dixon, I'm done.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. And I hope you guys have learned something. If you have some questions, you can raise up your hand. If you have some questions.
By the way, there was one question. I think we can start with that one of 500. This one, let me answer it.
Let's start from here.
This one is saying, why does the bot continue to short pumping coins, hence causing us to be in floating loss for days? Yes, Mr. Mwesigwa Alexander. So when whatever goes up in crypto must come down, and not whatever goes down must come back. So these pumping coins, for example, what happened yesterday, they still have this chance of floating because coins pump to liquidate. For those who have done Smartic Money concepts or supply and demand, there is what we call liquidity sweep. For those who have been attending Anchor Investors Zooms, a coin pumps up to liquidate some big investor who has shorted the market. And after such a liquidation, the market always reverses and gives the biggest percentages. It goes back by 10, 30, 50% by the percentage it had pumped. So that's why it gets those opportunities. And if it wasn't doing so, yesterday's move wasn't going to be gotten. And again, that's why we say it is, as long as you don't make a loss, now what would you want with a coin? Floating loss is very normal. Because as long as you enter the trade, it will never deliver immediately. It will first reverse. So by targeting pumping coins, it is looking for the best opportunities, knowing that even if it pumps like cow, it must come back. And again, the robot enters it after it pumping. Just that after it pumping, sometimes it continues to pump. So it doesn't enter it before pumping. So hope I'm clear. Then they are saying, does it also need fuel fee and paying every year? Remember, for now, I'm going to use those who paid for RoyalQ. They were very conversant, but now we have an upgraded system where you don't even lift a finger to make money. And remember, it is charging least fuel fee. Why not do that? It is making people money. Someone who started yesterday has already made $50. I think that one has no problem. Then what do you mean by liquidation, Stephen? Liquidation, for now, we don't have that one. We only had one case when we had just started, and the system was reacted immediately to, and everything was upgraded. So far, we are going in 1 month. We've not had any other case of liquidation. Liquidation is where your funds are liquidated. Any money in the trade is taken when that position goes against you. Then I'm using a partition of $500, but it is not giving me results. I'm using a partition of $500, but it's not giving me results. I still have a losing trade. Almost 1 week. That what can I do? I'm going to start with advice. If you have $2,000 and below, on my case, don't use more than 200 standard partition. Why? For example, if you have $2,000 and below, okay, any money now, that's what I'm talking about. You will get that money divided by $200. Those will be the number of trades you can have at a moment running simultaneously. That means even if one coin floats for a week, but you have other 9 running coins, you will not recognize. Why? Because every day you'll be seeing results, be seeing plus $10, plus $20, plus $20. Even if it says for 3 days, others will be working out. So choosing, I don't know how much capital you're using, but choosing a partition of $500, that was a mistake. I think I've answered you. Because floating loss is normal. What we want is, we don't want any loss. We don't want these liquidations such that we lose everything. We just want to keep earning consistently, even if the coin goes against us for any time. Can I be in a floating loss for like 7 months without getting even a single coin? Nicholas, just know you've gotten the real answer you always wanted. Let me tell you what caused this floating loss. In Royal Q, we started in spot market. I said a statement that whatever goes up comes down, but not whatever goes down must come up. That means if you enter the coin and you expect a 3% rise and you make $3 on it with $100, and it fails to reach your target and it goes against you, it wasn't a match that it was going to come back. That's why you were floating for 7 months. But surely there is no coin which will pump for even a month. Because for you to be in a floating this time, the coin must keep pumping for you not to make money. And they want the coin to drop such that they make money out of those doing spot. So this one will never happen. We've tested this one. I put a tick. It will never happen. It will never happen. Thanks, Coach Worship, for the supplement. Yeah. Go down. Can I change from 500 and use 200 and 300 because it's the only capital I use on Binance? This is the best thing you should do. Once the trade has been done, maybe what you have to do, you must keep checking your crypto pile such that you may close the trades that are running for a moment at where they are. Once you've closed them, you have to go to and unsubscribe. You have to unsubscribe from that partition, then choose the 200. Once you have chosen the 200, it means if you have the $500, the $1,000, now you have very many positions running differently. I don't remember each position, you're just risking 3%, which is very best. I hope I've answered you. Changing is very possible. What is that next question? What is the percentage of gas fees on earnings? Is it still 20% as it used to be in Royal Q? If I can answer this question, you are only charged 10% of the fuel fee. That means if you make $50, you're charged $5 of fuel fee, which is a very great improvement. But according to the hearsay, I had Royal Q failed, maybe later that the team grew too big and maybe it failed to manage. So we don't know what the future is carrying. Maybe they can change back to 20, maybe because of whatever they are facing. Because every
a point of correction, gas fee is 20% of the profit. It is 20% of the profit made. The same as Royal Q.
All right.
Okay,
so
guys, thank you very, very much for coming along. Thank you for attending. Tomorrow we have another lesson, and tomorrow we are going to discuss about, tomorrow's topic will be, in the morning, understand market cycles and manage floating losses. Then in the evening, we are going to have how to onboard your Fund 3. That is for serious members who want to really grow this big. Otherwise, I thank you very much for coming along. Thank you for attending. We've been a team of over 40-something members. Uncle Jack, Ahawi Andrew, hi to you, Binti Salai, Oliotia Sebo, Catherine Musuya, How are you, Charles? How are you? Coach Hassan, thanks for coming through. Crypto Stake at Chanika, thanks for coming through. Divine, Don Moses, Edson, Arupe Andrew, Henry Blessing. Thank you guys for coming along. Isaac, Joe, Joseph Lugolobi, Kay, Moses Myers, Mentadin, Migade Nicholas, Muhereza Stephen, Mwesigwa Alex, Nachibira Poli, Nanyanzi Joyce Birunji, and Yomujenyi. Thank you guys for coming through. Nino Ivo, thank you. Niwatha Emon, Austin Ibra, Pato, Pristendo. Yes, those guys with Samsung, TK, Tayewa, Wayenga, Worship, Yaman, Ya, and this one in a different language, which I may not understand. But thank you guys for coming through. And these lessons at 8 p.m. they will be in English. Then in the morning, 8 a.m., they will be in Luganda. Thank you guys for coming through. Have a fantastic night. Reach out to whoever may be invited to this call to guide you through on starting or maybe to optimize your bot so that it does everything for you on complete autopilot. Thank you guys for coming through.